Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Zoho meeting step by step. Whether you're connecting for work, school, or a team project, this guide will make it simple and hassle-free. First, make sure you have your Zoho meeting link or invitation. This usually comes in the form of an email or an instant message, so check your inbox carefully. Once you have the link, the easiest way to join is to click on it directly. This will take you straight into the meeting without any extra steps. If you prefer, or if you encounter any issues with the link, you can also join by opening the Zoho Meeting app directly. Inside the app, you'll see the option Meet Now. This is great for instant meetings, allowing you to connect immediately with your colleagues or peers. Once you're in the meeting, you can share it with others by copying the link or invitation from the meeting interface and sending it to your team members. Zoho Meeting also allows you to schedule meetings in advance, which is perfect for recurring sessions or coordinating with participants in different time zones. Before joining, make sure your microphone and camera are working properly. A quick test can help avoid technical issues and ensure you can participate smoothly and interact effectively during the meeting. By following these simple steps, joining a Zoho meeting becomes quick and straightforward, leaving you more time to focus on productive discussions. And if you ever run into any issues, Zoho's support resources are always there to help. I hope this tutorial helps you join your online meetings easily and efficiently. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.